Assalamu alaikum class 5. Welcome back to your computer class. I hope you all are doing well at your home, and I want to appreciate the student who answered the wrap-up question in the previous lesson in the comment sections. Very well done, the students, and keep it up. And for the rest of students who did not answer the question, so please answer the question in the comment section. So I will understand. I will know about the understanding of you. All of you about the previous lesson, and if there is any queries about any topic, so you can ask me and I will discuss in the next class. Okay. Today we will start our chapter number 3, searching on internet, and the subtopic is SEO in everyday life, keywords, digital ads, and safe browsing. So these are today's topic, and before starting our today's lesson, so let's start a quick recap. So there are some questions for your recap from the previous lesson that you have to answer this question by your own. So you will know how the understanding of yours in the previous lesson. So the first question is, what is SEO? Okay, you have to tell me what is the definition of SEO and what is the full form of SEO. Okay, so this is your question number 1, and question number 2 is, why is SEO important? Okay, so question number 3 is, which browser do you use at home? Okay, the student who know the answer of this question, very well done. And the student who does not answer the question, this question, so you have to first visit the previous lesson, and then you can do or watch this video. Okay. So now we will start our chapter number 3 and today's lesson. So the first topic is SEO in daily life. Okay, so the first question is SEO in everyday life. First we will discuss the full form of SEO is search engine optimization. Okay, and what is SEO? So SEO is a process that increase the visibility of your website on the Google. Okay, for example, it will if your SEO is so good, then your website, your application is on the top of your Google search. Okay, so SEO in our daily life, for example, if we are searching best pizza near me in the search box, then the Google show the top restaurants to you. Google आपको top restaurants देगा, and the first list that we see on the Google, and all the result that we see on the Google, it all because of SEO. If we search something on the Google, that's mean we are using SEO. Okay. After that, if you search there are second example, if you search the math worksheet for worksheets for class 5 or your science worksheet, computer and any other subjects, then SEO brings the best educational sites to you on YouTube, on Google, where you searched, because that is also an example of SEO, that you are using it. Okay, so you are using it for your educational purpose, for your household works. Okay, so SEO is using everywhere. After that, there is an explanation for this. SEO help us save time and find accurate information. If your SEO is SEO of the website is so good, then it will save your time and give you the accurate or perfect result or perfect information that you searched for. Okay, so we use SEO in our daily life for in every minute. Okay, if we are using mobile, then if we are searching on website or other YouTube or any other thing, then the searching, if you are doing searching, that's mean you are using the SEO. Okay, So this is the first point, and the second one is key. Okay, now in the second point we will discuss what is keywords. So keywords are simply the words that we write in the search bar to search something so that we will get the result that we want. Okay, so these are the words. Okay, for example, first of all there is a definition for the word keyword. So keywords are the words we type in the search bar. ठीक है, ये वो वर्ड्स हैं जो हम टाइप करते हैं कहाँ, सर्च बार में फॉर अवर सर्चिंग. Okay, after that there is an example. For example, you want to buy you want to buy the school bags, and you want to search for the best school bags in our city, or for example you want to search the best shop in Lahore or in another city, or these are the keywords that you are entering in the search bar. So you will get, after that if you write the correct keywords, then you will get the correct output. Okay, so in this example, buy school bags, the basic keyword, if you write the school bags, then you can also get the accurate results for the school bags. Okay, so keywords are the something, if you give to the computer accurate, then you will get the result perfect or accurate according to your desire. Okay, so correct keywords gives correct results. If the keywords are not correct, then the results are not correct. For example, you want to search for a bag, but instead of bag you write stationery. Okay, so in the stationery you will get a lot of things, but maybe you can see the bag in the stationery in the bottom of the suggestions. But if you want to search the bags, school bags, then you have to write the correct keywords, so you will get the correct output. So this is the point number 2. And now we will discuss the point number 3, that is digital advertisement. Digital advertisement means something, the ads that is on the screen. Okay, जो भी whenever there is a word digital, it's mean it is related to some screen. Okay, so anything that you see on the screen, it is example of digitalization. Okay, so advertisement means ads shown on website, YouTube, game and apps. Okay, whenever you play a YouTube video that has a lot of views, then there must be ads in the videos, in that video. So these are the example of digital advertisement. Okay, so it can be shown in the websites. Whenever you open a website on the Google, then there must be a advertisement. For example, there must be an ad in that website, or on the YouTube, or the games, or apps. Also in the apps there are advertisement also. Okay, so digital advertisement can be banners, it can be pop-ups or video ads. Okay, they can be in the form of banners, they can be in the form of pop-ups, or they can be in the form of videos. Okay, so after that there is an example, ads before YouTube video. यूट्यूब की वीडियो को जब आप प्ले करते हैं तो वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले देयर इज एन एड, सो इट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ डिजिटल एडवर्टाइजमेंट. ओके, after that there is a fourth point, that is safe browsing. Okay, what is the purpose of safe browsing? So the safe browsing is used for something. For example, there are a lot of scam link. बहुत सारे ऐसे links होते हैं that are scam. ठीक है, whenever you click on it, your WhatsApp, your Facebook or anything can be hacked. For example, your accounts can be hacked. Okay, so whenever you click on the unknown website or unknown links, then there are some tips for safe browsing. There are some tips that are known as for safe browsing. It is very helpful for all of you to avoid the scam links, website or anything. Okay, so how can you avoid this kind of scam? So if you want to avoid it, so there are some tips. So don't click on every ad. You don't need to click any ad of every ad on the YouTube or a on a website or a Google, okay, or a games or an app. So don't click on every ads, okay, that looks suspicious, that looks some fake kind of ad. Then don't need to click on it. After that, the second safe browsing tip is avoid suspicious ad like win a free iPhone. These are totally scam. If they are saying win an iPhone, free iPhone, you will win 1 lakh. If you click on it, you will win this, that or something. So don't click on that links. Okay, after that, always use trusted websites. Okay, don't use any kind of fake websites or duplicate websites. So if you want to use the website for educational purpose, then you have to use the original or approved or trusted websites. Or the other hand, if you want to use the apps, then don't use the fake or copied apps. You have to use the official apps, official softwares. So it will help you to being scammed. Okay, so these three are the safe browsing techniques for all of you. So the first one is don't click on every ads, and the second one is avoid suspicious ads like win a free iPhone or anything. Always use trusted website. Okay, don't use any kind of fake websites that look suspicious or that looks faked. Okay, so this is your point number 4, and there is a very important point, that is what to do when you see ads. What to do when you see such kind of suspicious or fake or scam ads. So फिर आपको क्या करना चाहिए? So it is a very important question. So what will you do? Think before clicking. ठीक है, सबसे पहले तो आपको सोचना चाहिए that you have to click it on it or not. आपको इसके ऊपर क्लिक करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए. Again, I'm saying if it looks fake or suspicious, then don't click on it. Just leave it. Okay, just close that. After that, if it looks useful, it looks some kind of useful ad or useful information, for example stationery shop and something like that, you may check before clicking. You have to think, and then you have to check it if it is real or not. After that, you have to click on it. Okay, so first think, and after checking then you have to click on that websites. Okay, if it look fakes, close it immediately. अगर आपको लगे कि ये आपने चेक कर लिया है उसको, ठीक है, आपने किसी से पूछ लिया इज इट ट्रू और नॉट, और एंड दे से नो इट इज नॉट, देन that's mean it is fake, then you have to close it immediately. Okay, so ask parents, teachers and your friends if you are unsure that it is correct or not, then ask your parents, ask your friends who use that. ठीक है, so these are 4 steps that you have to do when you see such kind of ads. So there is a rule for that, and the rule is, first you have to think. If you see any kind of app and any kind of app ad or a link, first you have to think, and after that you have to check on it. Okay, if you see a useful ad, then you have to check on it. First you have to think, and second you have to check, and after that if everything is normal, then you can click on it. Okay, so remember this rule. First you have to think, then you have to check, and after that you have to click on it. Okay, so this is the four basic important points that are very helpful when you see a scammed or a fake kind of or a suspicious kind of ad on a YouTube, Google, or something. So that's all for today's lesson. So there are some before going to the wrap up question, we will do a quick wrap up for today's lesson of today's lesson. So we learn first SEO in everyday life. So this is our first topic, and SEO means SEO. The full form of SEO is search engine optimization. So whenever we do searching on YouTube, Google, or anywhere, so it is an example of SEO. That's mean we are using SEO. Okay, so that's why we are using SEO in every day of our life, because we are doing searching in every day of our life. Okay, keywords, then we learn about the keywords on the internet. So keywords are the words that we type in the search bar to search something, and if we want to get the correct result, then the keywords must be correct. Okay, the keywords are not irrelevant to your output. Okay, it must be relevant or related to your searching that you want to search. Okay, after that we learn about the digital advertisement. We learn what is the meaning of the digital. So anything that is related to the screen is known as digital, and advertisement is used for promoting your product. Okay, and the ads that shown on the website, YouTube, games, and apps are known as advertisement. Okay, so they can be banners, pop-ups, or videos, ads. Okay, so these are the example of advertisement. After that we learn about the safe browsing. So safe browsing is used to avoid the scam link or ads. Okay, so there are some tips for that. The first one is don't click on every ad. Avoid suspicious ads like win a free iPhone, win 1000 or 1 lakh money. Okay, always use trusted website. Okay, don't use any kind of fake website, because after you have clicking on the fake website or ads, your accounts are hacked. Okay, or after that there are some tips that if you whenever you see or you face that kind of situation, then what you have to do. So there is a rule for that, and the rule is think, check, and click. First you have to think if you think that you have to click on it or not, and after that you have to check it if this is true or not. How you can check it? By asking your parents, by asking your teachers, by asking your friends or family. So this is the example of checking, and after that if everything is okay, if there is a green signal, then you have to click on it, but if not, then you have to close it immediately. Okay, so this is all for today's lesson, and there are some wrap up question that you have to mention in the comment section. Okay, so the first one is, what is keywords? Keywords क्या होते हैं? You have to tell me. After that, the question number 2 is, give one example of SEO in everyday life. You have to give me one example from your life, everyday life, when you are using SEO. Okay. After that, the third question is, why are correct keywords important? Why we can't write the wrong keywords in the search bar? After that, there is an activity that try typing different keywords in Google and write in comment sections, comments what results you got. Okay, and there is a question number 5. Write the rule for safe browsing. Okay. So these are the 5 questions that you have to write in the comment section, and don't forget to write your name in the comment section. So that's all for today's lesson. Take care of yourself.